Colleen.
Oh, this is swimwear.
Yes.
These are beads that are made. Yes.
So this swimwear is made from crochet and you made it.
Fine crochet thread, yes.
Okay. This is beautiful, man. These are some beautiful pieces.
Yeah, see the headband in my head, it's made in it. Huh?
Okay, you made the headband as well.
Yeah. Oh, the hat.
Oh, that's the other headband. Oh, these are pretty, man.
There is a peacock. Oh, crochet hats.
Okay, that's nice.
Yes, I made berry hats. And I made other bags, different type of bags and those things. Zip bag,
right.
Drawstring bags. I make string bags. I make even bags like knapsack. I make variety of things. Even scarf.
Yes.
I make ballerina top and these things.
Okay. You can help her so we can see the beads that she made. Right. Oh, these are the beads that you made.
Yes.
And I have some pictures from when I went over by Jamaica Society for the Blind.
Yes.
With some other ones that you made.
Yes, and you see bags in there and so forth. This is a Rasta headband.
This is beautiful, man.
Yes, it is.
And how much for this headband? 400?
Yes.
How much for the swimsuit?
The swimsuit I can put for $7,000 and $8,000.
Nice price. That's a Jamaica color.
Oh, it's a Rasta.
Well, it's a Rasta color, of course, because you have the red,
right,
the green. Yes. I want these two. This one is for my daughter, and this one is for me. And I want these. I like these.
You want those two?
Yeah.
I made beading bricks, headband, and bracelets.
Yes.
I make earrings also.
Those are earrings?
Yes, these are earrings. I make them big and I make them small.
Oh, those are nice earrings.
Yes, thank you.
Oh, okay.
I also make chains. Different type.
And different sizes too, and style.
And different colors.
Yes. Oh, those are nice, man. Those are really, really nice.
Yes.
This one is the same color as this?
So these are some different pink colors one.
Yeah, these are beautiful. Alright, so if anyone out there want to purchase any of their beautiful handmade items, please check the video description for further information on how to contact these multi-talented Jamaican ladies. This is Shan ZenZen Jamaican Vibez, traveling the length and breadth of Jamaica to bring you stories of motivation, inspiration, and hope. So from here in Kingston, Jamaica, I want to tell you to walk good and make good duppy walk with you.